Hey guys and gals, how we doing? It's me, Joe Salyers, back here from the Music Factory Studios. I just wanted to do a quick follow-up to my last video where I was talking about the RCA Cambio and installing Linux. I thought I would get a better capture of the system. I had to dig out a capture card and find a micro HDMI to regular HDMI to be able to capture this. But this is the system here. It's the RCA Cambio, and it's a great little tablet for Linux. They enjoyed it once I got it to the person who wanted Linux put on it. They were ecstatic that they now had Linux on this machine. It's not the greatest in the world. They just wanted it to learn their way around, and if they destroyed it, so be it. If they break the system, so be it. They don't care. They just want to learn. Now, here's the thing. It will output audio through the HDMI port. It will also output audio through the headphone jack with Fedora. It won't output through the speakers for some reason. I don't know why. I couldn't figure it out. I tried jack, I tried a bunch of other options, pulse audio. None of that works. But you can get audio through HDMI in a set of headphones. Now, right here, I will show you that you get audio out of the HDMI port. This was the way I thought would be the easiest to show you. Here, we will hit the buttons here. As you can hear, we'll also do an audio test.
Front, right, front, left.
So HDMI audio works on this little machine, and hey, it's pretty cool if you can get it to work on an Atom processor. It's an X5 Z8350. It only has 1.8 gigs of RAM, basically 2 gigs of RAM. And it's a great little option for so many people out there who just want to learn about Linux, but don't want to put it on their good machine. But maybe they got one of these, at Walmart or Target or Amazon for like 50, 60 bucks or something. So you can't really complain about it's a poor machine. It doesn't do a whole lot. It's not like you can run Caden Live on it or something. Who cares? If you're wanting to learn your way around the terminal or just around, say, like GNOME, XFCE, or one of the other desktop environments or something along those lines, this is a great option. I mean, I wouldn't choose GNOME. Now that I used it off and on, just playing around with it for a couple days before I gave it back, I really think the best option would be LXQT. LXQT would probably be the best way to go. It's the lightest desktop environment that there is, unless you want to get into window managers like OpenBox or something. But here's how it divides up the disks as well. So we'll look at Gparted and the GNOME Disks app. So you can see, as you can see, it takes it a few moments to really open anything. So it has a 32 gigabyte eMMC storage on it. It basically gives you 29 gigs to use for Fedora and the operating system. It makes a boot partition of 1.1 gigs, and I think the other is just the EFI partition is like a half a gig. So there's no swap, which, it is what it is. But Fedora, you can just install it. It takes about 40 minutes for it to install. So if you try this, don't get frustrated and turn it off. Just let it do its thing. Keep it plugged up to the power. Don't try to do that on battery power, because you will absolutely not be able to finish it. But just plug it up to the power with the power adapter. Install Fedora through the installer, and you'll be fine. It's the RCA Cambio. It's a 10-inch little tablet, but it works. Screen rotation works. It's a little quirky, but it works. And you can use it without the keyboard attached, which is nice. It basically gives you a Linux tablet. All right, guys and gals, I hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you next time right here at the Music Factory. Subscribe below. Have a great day, y'all.